Hello. All right. Nice. No, it's not like mm, because some of these things that I've done, I have already done Vedant, so I don't have to do much preparation for this one. So you know this, right? So you yesterday the rank was a little bit higher, but now it came back because some people are playing. Um, okay, but you know, yeah, music is good, but I need to find some non-copyright music. You can suggest some music in the in this chat. I can put that in the next time. So what do you say? Okay, which one? You mean LinkedIn or Discord or? Oh, NCS Cyberpunk. Okay. Okay. You mean this music? I don't know if it is playing. Let me have a look. Okay. So you mean this music, right? NCS Cyberpunk. So I'm gonna pin that and I'm gonna play that in the next live stream. Okay. Okay. Uh, shall we begin? So yesterday my rank was 95. Now it came down to 96. So some people are playing, so I have to start playing again to reach higher. And this is the global rank. Global rank also dropped a couple of ranks. Um, yeah, the stream is delaying just 20 seconds. Yes, um, but it's okay, no problem. So we'll just continue. So yesterday we have set up all the requirements for over the wire, which is in this information section and VHL scoreboard. So yesterday we have already done all these steps, and finally we logged into one of those labs and we typed VHL, and that command actually gave us the score, and the updated score will be automatically reflected over here. So let's go to the level 0 again. So I'm again doing it from scratch because it's pretty easy. This time I'm gonna save all of the things. So do I have cherry tree over here? Okay, I don't have. So usually I use Notion, but now I'll just install uh, cherry tree. So if you have any other suggestion for note taking software, I'm open to listen. But as of now I'm just using um, this cherry tree. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. 1 second. I have some file. I can actually just upload it, and all the settings are there in that file. Mm-hmm. Is this the guy? No. Okay. So I can find that file later. Just give me a second. If let me see. I can simply import and new. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, the file is not here. Mm. Okay, I'll do it next time. But as of now, let's begin. Let's say bandit, and let's see. I'm just gonna say bandit 0 is bandit 0, and now bandit 1 is something else. So let me quickly go through that. Oh, hang on. Okay, save it somewhere in documents. Let me create a new directory, rank of awesome, and inside the rank of awesome I'm gonna save the file as let's say over the wire, something like that. And let me create a new one and say, oh, okay, I don't have to. I'll just finish up with this. Let's finish. Let's say SSH bandit 0, bandit 0, and say cat readme. Oops, typing much. And let's control C, let's say control V, and vshell will not work here. Okay, this is unknown level for warbox, so you have to say SSH bandit 1, let's say, and what is this? The password is in the clipboard, so I'll just have to do this and vshell. This will actually work. Okay, so I've already solved this challenge, so I have to type ls. This will work like this, and this is how you open a dashed file. So you have to say current directory and then this. You can also use something like cat relative to the home directory and something like this, and you can also use something like, you know, cat um okay, you can actually use full path pwd, and then, or else I think, let me try something here. So let's say backtick pwd backtick / dash. Let's see. Okay, so the pwd command executed, and that replaced this with this, and the / is there, and then this file. Okay, dashed file just opened up, and this is the password. Just control C and say control V, and that's it. Now let's move on to the next one, and don't forget to type virtual in the next one. Let's see. So bandit 2, Control Shift V, and clear virtual. Okay. Mm, yeah. Let me check this VHL profile again. So you have learned something today. Cool. Let's go to ranking, and let's let's see. I'm somewhere in 19,301. Let me see here. So this has an accurate rank. So I'm just gonna update it in this one. Let's see. All right. So this one, what's the country rank? Still 96. Nothing changed. Hmm. Cool. Let's see. Let's go back quickly. And where's the next one? So we've already done this one. We've already done this one. And hmm. Let's see. So I've saved it, right? And let's see. I'm already here. Spaces in this file. So it's pretty easy. Cat yes and tab. Okay, so tab will automatically complete this. You can also do with single quotes and copy all of this. All right, Control C, Control V, and single quote. You can also do this with double quotes, and yeah, pretty much something like this. Or if you don't want to type the whole thing, just keep S and use some wildcard. That would also work. Okay, and that's it. And let's go to the cherry tree and say bandit 3 and save it. And let's say, did we type vchel? Yep, we tried vchel. Let's exit out of here, and let's hit up arrow, and let's say bandit 3, and cool, it's already in the clipboard, so we're already here. So vchel, come on. Okay, it's probably updated over here with 21 points. Pretty cool, huh? So let's see. Okay. In this page, I'm the only one with 17,001 rank, but in other pages, I would be also there. So let's see. Oh, look at this, 16,951. And still my rank is 96. It's not changing. Okay. My global rank is changing, but my local rank is still the same. All right. Cool. Let's go to the next one. Okay, the password for the next level is stored in the hidden file. Okay, this is pretty easy. Hidden cd in here, ls, la. Okay, la works. Okay, cat dot hidden, and you can do something like this, and let's try something else. Haven't tried this. Okay, so it doesn't work, so I have to do something. Okay. Okay, So let's capture this. Let's see, bandit 4, and we have already tried VCHL. Once we enter, so exit and hit up arrow. Control V. Okay, Vedant. Um, so you've seen the speed, right? So what do you think? I mean, is it fast enough, or you're even faster than this? So I mean the typing speed and everything. Um, VCHL. Let me see how many points this time. Oh, okay, cool. 25 points. Let's see. 15,009. Too slow. Okay. Yep, I understand. Let me update the score. And country rank. Did I? Oh my god, the country rank is still 96. All right. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Um. Okay. So only human readable. So let's go. ls cd in here. ls cat dot slash forward f star. Let's see, we have something here, right? So let's type file dot forward slash dash f star. Let's see, and one of them is this, and this is the file we want. Copycat this. So this is the ctf. Oh, this is this is the flag. So let's save it. Bandit 5. Okay, and save it. Let's see. It should be updated over here. Let me see. I have more boxes now, linked sites, and let's see. I need to check what's going on here. 13 more boxes. Okay, let's check 33 levels. Okay, 4 completed. Cool. And exit. So here, let's go back. Bandit 5. Did I copy it? Possibly. Clear VCHL. Oh, come on. Let's reload. Okay, it's finished. Should be updated. Yep. So let's capture the rank. Let's update it right here. Am I still rank 36 in country? Oh, I jumped 2 ranks. Oh my god. Okay, let me try that. Let me try file star. It's not gonna work, I guess. Let me check again. So it was for bandit 4, right? Not here. Okay, just for you, I'll just go back to bandit 4. Control C, paste, and I'm gonna say cd in here, file star. Okay, so do you know why this doesn't work? This doesn't work because the file starts with dashed file. Okay, the category is dashed file. So if you type ls, you can see all the dashed files. It actually is considering this as an option and this as a file. Okay, so that's why it's not working. So you have to use relative paths or absolute paths to actually do this. Okay, so let's exit. Let's see, friends in VCHL. uh, so this is my alt account in VCHL, but anyway we can do that. Okay, you send me PM. Okay, hang on. Let me open a new tab. Okay, father of physics, Gizmore, which one is you? Okay, there's a delay anyway, so just update it whenever it comes. mm, let's see, welcome to VCHL. This is general message, and this should be you, father of physics. Wow, global rank 8000. Okay, you're also following over the wire, so let the journey begin. So how to connect, how to make friends in this, I have no idea. So you just select the user and you just click on PM, right? So I don't think there's a way to make friends here. So there's no friends section or something like that. There's a groups section. Oh, there's a group section, so you can make groups. Interesting. So I'm gonna create a group called HM Cyber Academy. How many users join your group? mm, Not sure. What should I do? Select the visibility. Should I say only VCHL members or only members from this group? Hmm. Or public forums? Let's keep it public. Okay. So by invitation. If anyone asks for invitation, I would probably give it. Okay. So this is created. So how to access my group? The group should be somewhere here. Okay, this is my group. And yeah, join. Okay, by script. Hang on a second. Can I change? Can I change those settings? Mm-hmm. Settings. Okay, groups. Let me go back. Cyber Academy. By script. Public forums. Hmm. Okay, edit group. Edited. Okay. So if anyone joins, I'm gonna keep them as a moderator or something like that. So can you join? Oh, please paste the invite link. Sorry. So by script, I have changed it to by script, so you can actually join without anything. So let me know if you can join. All right. So let's get back. Once you join, we'll just look into it. Okay. So let me just see users. Okay, there's plenty of users. Let me go back. Let me go back again. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay, I have no way to join users, so I think users can automatically join. Let's see. Bandit 4. Okay, connection closed. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Bandit 5. Bandit 5. Control C, Control V. Clear, VHL. I think we have already done it. Okay, already solved. So let's see. Clear and okay. So human readable 1033 not executable, right? So this one's a bit tricky one, but still it's easy because it's only like we're reading human readable content anyway. So what you can do is find, or else let's see, cd in here. Okay, too many arguments. Cd in here, ls, and so many directories, so you cannot say which one to find, right? But they have given clues, simple clues. It's human readable. So there's a trick here. So let's type find, where to find in this directory, which represents dot, and what to find. You say not executable, so not is represented by this. నువ్వు మాట్లాడు. So not is represented by this, and we'll say executable, and let's say size, and let's say 1033. So size is mentioned here, and for human readable you can mention as characters 1033c. Hang on a second, and this should represent this file. So control C and cat control V. Hang on a second, I'm getting a call. So this is the file. Okay, okay, so you're directly saying xargs file. Okay, you can actually do that, right? Let's see. So file not executable. Yeah, I did the same. So here, as you can see, I didn't type dash type file. So if I don't mention anything, so it takes everything into the consideration, and files, directories, links, and everything. But explicitly, if you mention type file, then it's only going to search for files. Okay, and let's see xargs, right? So let's see xargs file. So it's only gonna say what file it is. Okay, it's gonna say ASCII text, but instead of xargs, if you just say I don't know if we have to type it with xargs or just type cat, and let's give dash, and it should, okay, so it's not giving. Okay, so I think you need to type xargs. Let's see, cat. Okay, so this cat actually prints the command. I mean, cat actually prints the contents of the file. So in this case, xargs means you're actually executing some kind of command. So you're executing cat command by taking the inputs from the previous command. Okay, so you're taking the inputs from the previous command, you pipe it and send it to this command as arguments. Okay, so that's what you're trying to say. So send to this command as an argument, which means it is simply a representation of this one. Okay, cat this. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Did we type vchel? I think I probably typed vchel. Okay, it's done. So exit. Did I save this one? Nope. Bandit 6. Let's see. Control Shift V and vchel. Okay, it should be updated. We don't see it yet, but it should be updated. Oh, the father of physics is going too fast. Anyway, so we got 33 points. Okay, please paste invite link. Let me see. Let me change to invitation and edit. Oh, always list group, always list members. So I have to list the group. So in this case, I have to invite father of physics, I think. Right, father of physics. Let's invite. I sent you an invite. It should be there in your group. So let's list. I'm also listing it, and by script. Okay, click and join. There's a click and join button. Okay, click and join. Let's see. It's pretty. Uh, so can you check this one first? I mean, can you check? I think it should be listed in the groups. So if it is not available, then consider joining through invite. Uh, all right. So cool. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, listed yes. Hmm. So okay, click and join working. I think it should you should be here. Let me reload. Okay, I think I need to go back. Okay, reload. No, go back, and reload. Okay. I'm just gonna click on groups. Team server. Okay, 2 members. User groups. We shall. Oh, I forgot how to use it. Pretty fast. Okay, I'm making you as a moderator, and you can join your friends as well. And let's push forward. And let me click on this user and see. Cool. And by the way, what's my ranking right now? It's around 14,000 or something. Oh, please click on part. What is it? Okay, it should be in groups, right? What do you mean part? Cannot click the group found. Oh, oh, I cannot click the part. Oh, all right. Um, let's go back, and my score currently is this one. Let's say 1403, uh, 14052. I need to just change it. Give me a second. Yep, and country rank 93. All right, let's continue. And what do we have here? Okay, 6, right? So this time it's somewhere in the server, so we don't know where it is. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to do the same thing that you did before, and let's see, find and somewhere in the server, right? So you need to start at root directory. So find from the root directory, and let's say owned by user bandit 7. So you say user bandit 7 and group bandit 6. Okay, and what else is there? Size 33 bytes, right? So we know this command, right? Size 33c. We used this for the uh, previous CTF as well, bandit 5. So um, previously we have typed this C to represent human readable content, right? So for each human readable content, it's actually like a character, right? So each character is like a byte. It's like 7 bits of data combined to form a character, right? So if you go to ASCII table, or else ASCII-table.com, I think. Okay, so you can see all of these things, right? So it will actually show you how many characters each one actually is. So if you take all these alphabets, this should be more than like some, what do you say, some 8 bits of data. So they're not representing this in bits, they're representing this in decimals, hex, and um, what do you say, oct. And let's see, okay, you don't have any other. So if you check total, it's 255, right? So it's basically 256 if you include this 0. So if you take that into binary digits, it would be representing in 8 bits. Okay, so 8 bits, one character, um, and we need 33 bytes of data. We'll saying 33 characters, and that would represent 33 bytes. And let's hit on enter. So we got all this permission denied things. So we can get rid of these things, but somewhere in the middle you actually got the file. Okay, so if you see this one, as you can see, this does not have any errors like permission denied or something like that. So how to get only this file and not any other errors? So all you can do is you select the same command again and say to greater than, which means redirect the errors to a special file called slash div slash null. Okay, null is a file that takes up any data and returns nothing. Okay, it's like a black hole. So you take away all the errors using this, and you get and right now you have only these things. So just like previous command, you can actually say xargs and cat. Okay, so this would actually give you this one. Okay, you take the flag and save it. Let's say bandit 7, this, right? And we should have everything right here. Wait, plus, right. Okay, it's got, okay, exit. All right. um okay, I saved it, right? So let's go back to this. Let's say 7. Let's go, I'm just gonna just minimize it a bit and control V. Okay, it's pretty slow at this point. Okay. mm, I'm just checking, hang on a second. The stream status is good, and I think it's running on extremely low latency, but still, let me check. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I cannot change the latency part. As of uh, my knowledge, I'm running at low latency. So if you're experiencing delay, then it's, you have to blame YouTube for it. So I think it's okay. Um, yeah, I'm doing it real time anyway. So all right. So I got 36 points this time. Let's see. Okay, something's wrong. There's only one browser, I guess. Let me restart this. Why is it playing with me? vchill.net. Okay, so I'm among these fellows here. Okay, all right. Global rank, update. Okay, this country rank is 93, no change. Global rank, this. All right, cool. Move on to the next one. Over the wire. Bandit 7. Okay, this is done. Let's go to the next one. So, ls data.txt cat data.txt, it should be filled with millions of things, but can clear all of them. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt next to the word millionth. So we know that millionth word exists somewhere, so you can just grep millionth and the file data.txt. So this is the easiest way to solve this, or you can actually, if you're using any text editor, you can actually do that as well. So go to vi data.txt, and in this you can actually search for the word millionth, th. Okay, so this one. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Let's see, q, and here we got it. All right, so it's a easy, one of the easy ones. Let's go to the next one, bandit 7 or bandit 8. Okay, cool. Yeah, Vedant, you've already solved this. I can see in the challenges that you've already solved it. War boxes and flags, and you've solved it. Let's see, bandit 8. Did I type VHL? I must be typing VHL. Exit. Let's go. VHL. Should be updated. Oh, father of physics, why are you solving it again? Oh, you did not solve bandit 1. So it's solved right now. Cool. I mean, yesterday. Oh no, today. Oh, today morning. Anyway, so 39 points, bandit 8, and let's see the rankings. Wow, so fast. But country ranking is not changing that much. Let's go. Bandit again, data.txt. What do you want this time? Password for the next level stored in data.txt and is only one line that occurs only once. Interesting. So occurs only once, right? So what do you think? You have all these commands. So occurs only once. You can actually use unique -u and then data.txt, but this would work only if the lines, I mean the repeated lines are on this adjacent to each other, but this would not work if they are not adjacent, right? So in this case what you do is, let me type and let's show you what I actually mean. Okay, so all these are unique, but some of them may be repeated. Okay, but this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say sort data.txt and pipe the output to unique-u, and this would give me a single line, because once it actually sorts everything, some of these lines may be repeated somewhere. Okay, so all those lines come together, and this unique will eliminate all these adjacent lines, and only the one which is unique is given to us. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Bandit 9. Oops, I'm typing on a different place. Bandit 9. Right, exit. Clear, VCHAL. Okay, should be updated. All right, let me go here. Oh, we have already, looks like we're going pretty fast. Let me update it here. What's the country rank? Okay, country rank just changed to 92. So that's it. And let me see, analytics 21. Okay, cool. What do we have here? We again have data.txt. So let me see. What do you want this time? Okay, human readable characters, several equals to signs. Okay. So this time we can also try grep with several equals to sign on data.txt. Okay, so binary file matches. So it's kind of like a binary file. So if you check file data.txt, it's data. Data means binary data or something like that. So it's not ASCII text, it's not human readable. So there are some human readable things somewhere in the middle. So in order to find them, all we have to do is you need to type strings and data.txt. Okay, so using this you can actually find all the strings, and somewhere here would be the password. Okay, after several equals to signs. So to get only that particular line, you can actually say grep or else strings, and now you can say grep because it's readable. You can say this, and it says the password is this. Okay, or you can also try using grep itself. You can say grep hyphen e and then equals 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 to, and let's say data.txt. Okay, you can actually try that. It's not working. Okay, so sorry, so it's a, it's not e. Okay, so now you can actually read the binary data itself, and you get something like equals equals to sign and then this. Okay, so this is for this what it's actually saying is this whole thing is a line for this binary data, and this whole thing is a line for it. Okay, and then this is the third line or something like that. Okay, so this is like the fourth line, so biggest line or everything. So usually grep represents like grep tries to filter out only the lines, the complete line. So in previous case we divided them into several lines, and out of them we grabbed it out, right? So you can try this, and you can actually go to vi data.txt and here you can actually say equals to, and then once it is done, you can say, you can hit enter and stop typing n. Okay, so the and as you can see, as I type n, it's actually moving towards the next equals to sign. Okay, so it says the password is this one. Okay, so this is how you can actually work through things. Okay, so I'm just going here, let's control shift C, and let's say bandit 10 and this. All right, I hope you get it, and let's move on to the next one. Oopsie. Okay, control S and exit. Should be right here. Okay, I have to type VHL, sorry. So VHL, and that should be solved. Okay, it seems pretty easy, right? But as you go keep fighting, then you will realize how difficult this is. Let's see, 12152, and need to change this 12152, and the country rank now again jumped 2 ranks ahead. That's pretty cool. And let's see, what do we have this time? Okay, we have data.txt again. Need to see what it means. Okay, the password for the next level is stored in here as base 64 encoded. Okay, this one's gonna be cool. So cat data.txt, it's base 64 encoded. You can say base 64-d data.txt. Okay, so this is one way to do it, and you can actually combine these two as well. So let's say base 64-d. So if you don't have base 64, then you have to install some utility, and then you can actually execute these commands. Okay, so let's see, but in this server they actually installed this utility, so you can actually use it, right? So let's go, this one's pretty easy, bandit 11, and all right, so exit 11, control shift V, and VCHL. And this is where I will stop. Okay, it's almost an hour and we're running through so fast. And okay, solvers this much. Okay, cool, bandit 11 is solved. Let's see the rankings, and oh my god, it's 10890, and country rank again jumped 2 times. Okay, so now we have something interesting. So yeah, from tomorrow I'm gonna start with bandit 11, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.